when these people came here, this was hosting them. We are going to have some good road maintenance. Now you see, last year we buried our fathers here because of this. When the rain came here, it will be.
But you see,
whereby if you come early in the morning, you are going to receive medicine sometimes at 2. They don't work properly. They don't work on time.
So now what's the problem? Why are the locals complaining?
They are complaining because their people when we run out of stock of certain items.
So as I speak now, PDM, 10 people are in who have been mismanaging funds. The president, when he was attending caucus, they told him about people who were stealing PDM. So I left 10 in, including a former chairman, C3, who got money, yet he's a chairman, and who has been collecting money from people to get PDM, and many others.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.